After purchase of SOCKS5 Proxies, go to the dashboard. Click on SOCKS5 Proxies in the left sidebar. Select username, password. Set the number of proxies. Click Generate. Copy proxy list. Paste into anti-detection browser. Click to check proxy. Successful detection. This IP address will appear in the 24-hour list. Go back to the 7-Eleven proxy dashboard and view the 24-hour list. This IP can be reused within 24 hours as long as the IP status shows online. Now you can start using proxies. Thank you for watching.